now the hard part, turning the car, and I gotta carry all of this myself. In case you guys didn't get that, aloha from Hawaii. Welcome back, you beautiful people, to the wonderful island of Maui. It has been just amazing. Staying at Camp Olowalu, going and seeing the stars, campfire, surfing, snorkeling with turtles, hiking to waterfalls, going to amazing restaurants and eating amazing food, and seeing the sights and sounds that Maui has to offer. It has been truly amazing. Before we head back, we have one more adventure that we really want to do, the Aiea Valley, which is a state park, a state monument with a lot of history for the Hawaiian people, especially the people of Maui. And it's also incredibly beautiful. All right, we are at the Aiea Valley State Monument on Maui. Now this place just opened up after I think being closed for 2 years, maybe even longer, probably with COVID. They've been doing a lot of restoration, a lot of work, and so they just closed it completely. This was free for us, as well as we did not need any reservations because we are Hawaii residents, we're locals. If you're not a local, be prepared to make a reservation, and I don't know if it costs anything, it might. So just do that ahead of time. I don't think they allow you. They literally checked us at the gate. So there's two main things to do here at this state park. One, it's really beautiful just to see it. There's an ethno-botanical garden, and there's also a hike. Now, from what I've seen in AllTrails, the hike was closed. I was kind of hoping that it was going to be open. That was, I think, a 4-mile hike to the Needle. But at least we wanted to just check this out, learn some history, and find out what is so special about this place. Yeah. All right, hold on, listen. More than 100 years ago, visitors began coming to witness the natural beauty of this valley. Today, Aiea Valley is recognized as a very special place for both its spiritual value and spectacular scenery. The trails of the park are paved, but may be slippery when wet. All right, so we're gonna go do the lookout, okay? So sorry guys, I should have brought my external microphone for this day. These little guys with the little, monkey fur fluffy on it. I see it, dude. So stop it right there. This is telling the story of the Maui people being defeated by King Kamehameha. Now, if you don't know the Hawaiian history, right after the Europeans made contact with the Hawaiian Islands, King Kamehameha went on a campaign to unite all of the Hawaiian Islands under his rule. And he did so rather forcefully. And in this location, this is the site where the Maui people were defeated by King Kamehameha and his armies. And it's still a bitter memory for the people of Maui.
I'm faster than you, Mama. I'm faster on the stairs with you, Mama.
You're faster than me. What? You're faster than me? Oh, man.
I'm faster than Mom. But I'm faster than Mom. I was racing at the top.
For some scary reason, the girls were in this crazy, awesome mood, and they were excited to go hiking to where they were racing with me all around the place.
I was the one who won. I won! No, I won. I won! I won! I won!
Haley, look at the needle. You even see the needle? Oh my goodness, look at the needle. You're only breathing hard as I turn the camera on. That is just amazing. I won. You did say go. You already said go.
I win.
Sure. Imagine that during the rainy months in the winter, this place would be really, really beautiful. Come on, Buckaroo. Oh, okay, come on. Good job, kid. Let's go this way. Yeah. Thank you, Alex. Please, may I pass? Alex is great. Anna. My name is Anna. Mom. My name is Mom.
You mean Maui?
We're in the garden. This is the garden. This is a Hawaiian garden. Hawaiian food. Well, it's not your typical garden, no. But it'd be for the Hawaiians. You've got bananas and taro plants. Alright, so it's called kelo, which we call today as taro. Starch, or purple potato is what I know it as. So definitely a worthy stop for you guys. You know, is it a big place? You know, compared to the Road to Hana? No. But it is unique, and if you're more of a history buff, this is definitely a place to stop at. So we had about an hour left before we had to go to the airport to catch our flight back home to Oahu. And we headed off to the North Shore to Ho'opina Beach Park. Pretty much on the North Shore of Maui, surfers, you had kite surfers, what is the name? I don't know, the windsurfer guys, and you had a whole lot of turtles. And by God, this place was incredibly windy. So one of the reasons we came to this beach and not just headed straight to the airport is we needed to eat the last of our food. Can't bring everything back with us. It doesn't fit all in our suitcase. So we ate some sandwiches in this windy place, and I'm happy that I did. Later on, when we got to the airport, the food was just crazy expensive. My peanut butter and jelly food gas station on the side of the road. Alright, so earlier today we were right over there in the Iowa Valley. It's crazy. hard part. Returning the car. And I gotta carry all of this myself.
The car seat was so heavy.
So then came the part that I was really dreading. Going from the car rental drop-off to the luggage check-in. With my mom no longer being there, I then had to carry all of that stuff myself. All the camping gear. I should have just left the Coleman stove at home. Don't bring the Coleman stove. Just figure life out. Even if you're camping, let's figure it out, right? And Alex tried her best. Haley's still so little. She was struggling just carrying her car seat. Unfortunately, we had a good Samaritan take pity on us and carry Haley's car seat the last 100 feet or so she made it. But man, that was rough. I've done a lot of solo travel, and I should have been better prepared for that.
I tried to help her.
All right, walk. Are you guys excited for your second flight in a while?
Yeah, we're going back to Oahu. We were just vacationing here.
Ready, set. No, easy, Alex, easy. Wait. Yes! That's a lot of bird poop. Man. I think Bullseye needs a bath. Woo. We're all so excited to see John up and over like 20 minutes. Whoop. And we're back home on Oahu. Super happy to be home. And now we need to go wash our truck, Bullseye, our trusty steed. He needs a bath. Oh my god. If you ever wonder, like, one of the downsides of living in Hawaii, it's a lot of burn. Mahalo for watching, you guys. If you've made it this far, you've made it through the whole epic Maui adventure. Thank you. Please give me a thumbs up, and if you can, you guys, please add a comment down below. It really does help this algorithm with YouTube, even if it's a mahalo, a thank you, a surf's up, great job, or maybe not such great job. Maybe you guys didn't like this video. Say something for me down in the comments. It really helps us out as we try to grow this channel. It's gonna continue, guys. We got Alex's birthday is coming right up. She's gonna turn 8. My little girl is getting bigger. She's full-on kidhood at this point. So we've got a lot more adventures to go, people.